Do you want to start taking commissions in the art world? A vital aspect for many artists looking to expand their reach and income. Commissions not only provide financial support, but also allow artists to connect with clients and create personalized works that resonate with individual tastes. Our aim is to foster an informative and supportive atmosphere, guiding you through the intricacies of managing commissions effectively. Throughout this video, you can expect to learn 5 key tips that will empower you to navigate the commission process with confidence. From setting clear expectations with clients to pricing your work appropriately, each tip is designed to enhance your skills and ensure a positive experience for both you and your clients. By the end, you'll be equipped with valuable insights that will help you thrive in the world of commissioned art. Having reliable payment methods for commissions is crucial for artists to ensure smooth transactions and maintain professional relationships with clients. PayPal is often the preferred choice for many artists due to its widespread recognition, user-friendly interface, and robust buyer protection policies, which instill confidence in both parties. It allows for quick and secure payments, making it easier for artists to receive their earnings promptly. However, it's also important to consider alternative platforms like Ko-fi, which cater specifically to creators and offer unique features such as donation options and tiered memberships. These platforms can provide additional flexibility and accessibility for both artists and clients. Ultimately, the need for secure and accessible payment options cannot be overstated. They not only protect your income, but also enhance the overall client experience. By choosing the right payment methods, artists can focus on their creative work while ensuring that financial transactions are handled efficiently and safely. Focusing on a single art style for commissions can be incredibly beneficial, especially for beginners. By choosing one popular art style to master, you can hone your skills and develop a unique signature that sets you apart in a crowded market. This specialization not only enhances your expertise, but also makes it easier for potential clients to recognize and appreciate your work. Simplicity in your offerings can attract more customers, as it allows them to clearly understand what you provide and envision how your style fits their needs. Once you establish a solid reputation and client base, the potential for diversification becomes significant. You can gradually explore other styles or techniques, expanding your portfolio while still maintaining your core identity. This strategic approach not only builds confidence, but also opens doors to new opportunities, ensuring that your artistic journey remains both fulfilling and financially rewarding. Embracing a focused style. Style can be a powerful stepping stone in your artistic career. Showcasing high-quality examples of your artwork is essential for attracting potential clients and promoting your commissions effectively. To make a strong impression, consider creating 1 or 2 standout pieces that truly represent your artistic style and skill level. These pieces should be visually striking and demonstrate your ability to capture detail and emotion, serving as a powerful introduction to your work. Additionally, using fan art can be a great way to engage potential clients as it connects with their interests and showcases your versatility in interpreting beloved characters. By featuring a variety of character types in your examples, you can appeal to a broader audience and demonstrate your adaptability across different styles and themes. This diversity not only highlights your range as an artist, but also reassures clients that you can cater to their specific requests. Ultimately, high-quality examples are key to building trust and excitement around your commission offerings. Pricing commissions effectively is crucial for both attracting clients and ensuring fair compensation for your work. Several factors influence pricing, including your skill level, the time required for each piece, and current market demand. As a beginner, it's wise to set starting prices that are competitive, yet reflective of your abilities, allowing you to attract initial customers without undervaluing your art. This approach can help you build a portfolio and gain valuable experience. However, be cautious about charging extra for perceived complexity in designs. This can deter potential clients who may feel intimidated by high prices. Instead, focus on transparent pricing that reflects the effort and creativity involved in your work. Consider offering tiered pricing based on size or detail, which allows clients to choose options that fit their budget while still appreciating the value of your artistry. Ultimately, finding the right balance in pricing will help you establish a sustainable commission practice. Effectively promoting your commission offerings requires a blend of creativity and engagement to capture the attention of potential clients. Start by incorporating storytelling into your commission announcements. Share the inspiration behind your work or the process involved in creating a piece. This personal touch not only showcases your artistic journey, but also helps potential customers connect with you on a deeper level. Engaging with your audience is equally important. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage discussions about your art. This interaction fosters a sense of community and makes clients feel valued, increasing the likelihood of them commissioning a piece. Avoid simply posting information without interaction, as this can come across as impersonal and may lead to missed opportunities. Instead, create a dialogue that invites potential customers to share their ideas and preferences, making them feel involved in the creative process. By promoting your commissions in this way, you can build lasting relationships and attract more clients. So, we've covered 5 essential tips for successfully taking commissions that can significantly enhance your artistic journey. First, we discussed the importance of having reliable payment methods, with PayPal and alternatives like Ko-fi being great options. Next, we emphasized the benefits of focusing on a single art style to master, which can attract more clients and allow for future diversification. We also highlighted the necessity of showcasing high-quality examples of your artwork to make a strong impression. Additionally, we provided guidance on effectively pricing your commissions, considering factors like skill level and market demand. Finally, we explored how to promote your commission offerings through storytelling and engagement. We encourage you to apply these tips as you navigate your art career. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow artists to spread the knowledge and support our creative community. Your engagement makes a difference.